Greeting, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can get the apps from the Microsoft Store, right? Which is right here in the taskbar right here. So we're going to click on it. Just one click and notice it looks like a shopping bag. If you come right up here, you can minimize it. You can actually restore it down. You can actually close it. Notice it shows it actually processing. That's exactly how the Microsoft Store actually comes. Sometimes you see it right here on the taskbar. But if you don't see it on the taskbar, you just come right here and click on go, and there you go. And this is the Microsoft Store. You notice you have home up here, you have gaming, entertainment and all of that. So if I scroll down here, notice scroll up, right? You notice we have some free apps right here. Over here on game. If I come right here, click on your game. Right, you notice we have several games here. You can actually scroll up, look at the games, all of that. Entertainment up here again, you can click on entertainment. Right, and notice to scroll up again and look at entertainment section right here. We're going to click on productivity. Click on productivity, this is what come up. And scroll up, you notice all of these apps you can actually purchase here. And scroll up again. If you notice, you have some free one right here, like Adobe Lightroom here. Notice all of these section here free, but this one now you have the Movie Maker Pro. All of that, so you can actually select. Notice even WhatsApp right here. Alright, Messenger right here. You can come right to this point here. You scroll up on a lot, right? So this one has installed already, so this one for free here, right? You notice so that this one installed already right here. You can actually come. So this is how you can actually view from the store. That, and this is a deal. Alright, when you click on deal, you notice this is what come up right here. So very important. So you can actually come to the search bar right here. You can actually search what you want right here. So very important. So this is how we actually view the Microsoft Store right here. That we can actually choose WhatsApp and all of this stuff right inside here. So hope you have learned something from this particular video. Remember to share it, subscribe.